Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? In November 1934, Amrita Shergill was living in what must have seemed like the ideal city for a young artist, Paris. He was studying firsthand the color-saturated style of France's modernist masters, and beginning to make a name for herself as a painter. Blank, Shergill longed to return to her childhood home of India. Only there, she believed, could her art truly flourish. So the first sentence discusses Paris and its attributes and how it's good for a young artist, where she could learn from master artists and she could make a name for herself as a painter. But the second sentence discusses how she wanted to return to India, where she believed her art could truly flourish. So there's a contrast between these two sentences, and the transition word here must emphasize this contrast. A. Still. This makes sense here because it would highlight how despite Paris being a great place for her as an artist, she wanted to return to India, where she believed her art could truly flourish. So A seems to be the correct answer. B. Therefore. This is incorrect because therefore would mean that this discussion in the second sentence would be a consequence of the descriptions in the first sentence. But this is incorrect because the two sentences contrast each other. So B is incorrect. C. Indeed. This is incorrect because indeed adds emphasis to what was said before. But this is not what the two sentences do. Rather, they contrast each other. D. Furthermore. This is incorrect for the same reason as B, because furthermore, like therefore, emphasizes what was said in the first sentence, but this is not what occurs because these two sentences contrast each other. So A is the correct choice.